demands of the Bodo leaders were as unrelenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalked out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland.
The central and state governments categorically refused further division of Assam, but agreed to a series of tripartite talks to defuse the volatile situation. The AGP state government, however, insisted that the then Congress government in the centre was encouraging the Bodos to the path of violence. They alleged certain central intelligence agencies of instigating the Bodo leaders to score political points against the state.
It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting this thing. It is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sent his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from Epsilon. He said, and Roe did not associate us a bit earlier also. We protested in yesterday, so he could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Roe spent 3 crores rupees in Epsilon movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, this money that is spent or these things are not documented, so you obviously will not have receipts or thing. But
no. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and counter-charge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated, and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo agitation directly affects only one Lok Sabha seat, yet it was obvious to the National Front government, which replaced the Congress eye in the centre, as the tripartite talks continued, that the solution could be found only if genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed to. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is very much clear. If the Bodo land we are not going to accept.
Bodo land is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodo land is not given to you?
There will be a struggle.
For how long?
Continuously. Till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to manage.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have society.
So your fight will be within the Constitution of India?
Yes,
within the Constitution
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of our